Simultaneously, I discovered that there are thousands of underused manufacturing CNC machines. They're digitally controlled cutting machines. And that led me to the realization that if I could remote control these machines, I could create a virtual factory with a local presence everywhere. And that local on-demand production allows for easy customization because it's digital, but also it eliminates all of the distribution costs. And that generally accounts for 40% of an industry's revenue.